Hey YouTube, it's Ant-Man Moto here, and look at here. We are the night before Barber Motorsports Park. Oh yes. I'm gonna meet Ken, my buddy, Aprilia Tuono buddy there, and a couple other guys. And we are going to let these bad boys breathe the way they're supposed to. No police, no accidents. Cut that out. Of course there could be accidents, but no cops, no gravel, no hopefully squids. Oh my god. It's just gonna be this machine in its proper environment, doing what it was born to do. And it is the night before the track at Barber Motorsports Park. You can't get caught up in this moment because this is going too fast, right? But it is howling rain on the way to Birmingham, on the way to Barber. I mean, misting for a little while now, it's just full on dumping. There she is. She's a lovely. All right, let's do this. I'm gonna go to tech inspection. We have arrived. There's Ken. Set up right here, and there's the beautiful track. Oh yeah. Good to go? All right, thanks. That was easy. Woo!
Hi everybody, Shane here. By the way, thank you for coming. I see some familiar faces maybe from a couple years back or even the race weekend. So let's see, who's first time at Barber? Anybody first timers? Yeah, okay. That's sweet. Okay. Anybody who's ever ridden an Aprilia? Yeah, okay. Alright, so anyway, like I said, I'm Shane with Aprilia. We got quite a few guys with the shirts you see like this. The whole reason we do this is to get new people at the track, new people to ride our bikes, right? So pretty simple. It's not a hard sell. We think our bikes are really good. Most people agree. We want to give you an opportunity to ride them, and we like to come to tracks like Barber. My favorite track in the U.S., so I cannot wait to be out there riding with you guys, I hope later today.
For your group, first call, second call, last call, so that you can be prepared to go out on track. The A group is the advanced group. It's the experienced riders. B group is intermediate. C group is the more novice riders.
eat shit o'clock. Oh shit! Toes! That was controlled compared to what happened last lap. My goodness. And as you can see, maybe you can't, but we have a bit of a rain issue happening right now. Yeah, it's raining. The rain began pouring right after the third session. Just like last year. I swear, last year this did the exact same thing. 3 sessions and then rain. So, my GoPro's still attached to my helmet, but I'll give you a panoramic view of what it looks like right now. See that? Rain on my vehicle. It was just dry a second ago, you can tell. All right, here we go on the Tuono Factory. It has just monsoon rained right before lunch, and then we've been off of lunch for an hour. So I really want to take it easy. This is Ken in front of me. I don't want to have to scrub too much speed. Just follow it. All right, that was fun. I mean, it's been quite the day, right? Like, look at it. This is just one of those days that you remember. Woohoo! That was fun. Good times. Now we're going to go hop back on our bike and be done with it. I just got done riding that beauty right there. The session right after lunch. It started out dry and sunny, but as you can see, the rain has come in big time. So I think that might be it for the day. I hate it, but I'm not going to be riding my bike out there in the wet, because it's no fun. You can't like lean it into turns or anything. I'm gonna try to stay with these guys, but it's probably not gonna happen. Oh, it's dry this time. I mean, it's where it's dry then wet and dry then wet. It's like 50-50. Raining? No, that's just from them. do have a dry line here for me. God, did you see that? This person's all over the track. That was dangerous. Again, the rain has come. Filming the outro here. Well, my wife loves when I say that because, as you can see, it has just let loose again for like the third time today. So from Barber Motorsports Park and Aprilia Racer Day, which was pretty much a success, as you can see, it is just blinding rain. I'm going up here to change because it's just too wet outside to try to change. So yeah, thanks for hanging out. Ant-Man Moto, YouTube. You know, this is what I do. This is what I like to do. Ride. I like to ride. Rain or shine. Rain or shine. Peace.